Hello everyone, my name is Ario Hamonangan, and today we want to present our presentations about star topology in library. We are from group 1 and my name is Ario Hamonangan, and this is the system analysis. So in this part of the analysis, we will discuss our project about star topologies in the library. This project contains a star topology schemes and how it works on the library system. We use the star topologies as a liaisons between one computers between another computers in a library computer network. Both the computers as a servers or as a client. In addition to connecting between computers on one network or networks in star topology can also be used to connect other network hardware components such as routers, access points, modems, and the others. And this is the IP address and the subnet. So IP or Internet Protocol is address of your network hardware. It helps in connecting your computer to other device on your network and all over the world. An IP address is made up of number or characters. An example of an IP address would be 192.168 and .1.1. And all devices that are connected to an internet connections have a unique IP address, which means there's a need of billions of IP addresses. There are two types IP versions. The first is IP version 4 and next is IP version 6. IP version 4 is the older versions which has a space of over 4 billion IP addresses. However, the new IP6 version can provide up to trillions of IP addresses to fulfill the need of all internet users and devices. And a subnetworks or subnets is a logical subdivisions of an IP network. The practice of dividing a network into two or more networks is called subnetting. And that's it for me. For definitions and type of topology will be explained by my friends. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Agung Basana from Group 1, and now I'm gonna talk about topology. So, what is topology? A network topology is the arrangement with which computer system or network devices are connected to each other. Topologies may define both physical and logical aspects of the network. Both logical and physical topologies could be same or different in the same network. Now I'm gonna tell you several types of topology. This is bus topology. Bus topology is the simplest way to connect multiple clients. Second one is ring topology. Ring topology is where each node connects exactly to two other nodes, forming a single continuous pathway for signal through each other node in a ring. This is mesh topology. Mesh topology is where each node in a network may act as an independent router. The fourth is tree topology. Tree topology is a special type of structure in which many connected elements are arranged like the branches of a tree. The fifth is hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a type of network topology that uses more than one different network topology. This topology can include a mix of bus topology, mesh topology, ring topology, star topology, and tree topology. And the last one is star topology. Because our project using star topology, now I'm gonna discuss about star topology. So this is star topology. Star topology is a network topology where each individual pieces of a network is attached to a central node called hub or switch. The attachment of these network pieces to the central component is visually represented in a form similar to a star. As you can see, those pictures, this and this, is connected to the switch or hub in the central. The advantage and the disadvantage of star topology. The advantage is, first, it's very reliable, because if one cable or device fail, then all the others will continue to work. The second is no disruption to the network when connecting or removing devices. The third, failure of one node or link doesn't affect the rest of the network. At the same time, it's easy to detect the failure and troubleshoot it. The disadvantages, the first one, is expensive to install, as the type of network use most cable, because we know that network cable is expensive. Second one, it may have a higher cost to implement, especially when using a switch or router in the central network device. And the third one is, if the hub or the switch is failed, all devices connected to the network will have no network connection. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sadam Muhamad Hizbullah. I'm in here want to showing you how to make topology based our project. Our project is explaining about star topology in library, and then in here I want to showing you how to make this one. Okay, first before I showing you how to make this topology, I want to giving you 3 items that we need in this one. First, we need personal computer as a client, and then we need server, and the last one we need server. Okay, then we can start this building one. Okay, first I need put switch in here, and then I need some server. Okay, and in here we put some PC, maybe around 5. This is just for an example. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, this one. Then we connect each other with cable. We put like this, repeat it. Okay, seems we have no more this slot. We must adding the slot first. It's just by first we must turn off the switch first, and then we add this one. Okay, turn back on like this. Okay, we're good. Then we put like switch in here again. Okay, like this in here. We're good. And then we must setting the server first. This is for configuring our IP address. As you can see in here, we can go to the desktop IP configuration, and then in here we put the IP address is this one. Okay, now we good. This is static, and then we're going to go into the service and then go to the HCP. In here you can see we choose this one, and then we change this default gateway, same like our IP address. Okay, then change our DNS server into this. Okay, we're good, and then turn on the service, save. Okay, this one means already saved. The default gateway and then the DNS server already changed. So we can go out, and then we can see we must setting the IP address for each client. How? We just need to double click this PC and then go into desktop IP configuration, and just press this DHCP so we can get the automatic IP address from the server. Like this, we get 0.2 in the behind, and then we repeat the same step like before. Go into the second PC, go into desktop IP configuration, and in here go into the HCP. Okay, we're good. Same like before. Okay, successful. Done. And the last one. Okay, we're done for setting all the configuration for the star topology in our library, and then for making sure again does the IP address is connected to each other, we can go choose one PC like this one. Okay, then we're going to command prompt. In here we can type just test ping to the first PC, like okay. Okay, you can see in here we can sense the package, and then for making sure we send to one more PC again, just ping like this. We have 5 PC, right? Sorry. Okay. It's successful again. Okay, it means if we can get the ping from each other PC, it means we successfully to configuring this topology, and also we successfully to connect it to each other. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for attention.